Right, hi guys, welcome to Status.1 YouTube channel. Here today we're going to show you another one of our VW camper vans. There's Aurora Edition. This is a 2011 in pearl black. Has got a full styling pack, as you can see. Coilover suspension, fully adjustable, concave alloys, staggered as well. It's a desirable tailgate model, you see from the back. It's presented in lovely condition. It's also got the Sportline styling pack on it as well. We'll go into the inside. As you can see, it's got the full mat set with the Aurora logos on there. Same in the front. It has got our beautiful edge banded furniture kit in gloss white, with the gloss white splashback, sparkle black tops. Standard, we put the splashbacks in, and this has got a matching beautifully tailored bespoke leather in black and white with white stitch. That's his new style wave, is that one. There's a rock and roll rear seat bed, belted for two. All covered in the matching leather. Down here again we've got the big opening doors underneath for the storage. You can get in there very easily. You can just see the Status.1 build number plaque there, which comes on all of us campers. Overhead lockers we put in as standard. They're all fully backed and they're separated into three different lockers, not just the one. As you can see there, you've got your gloss white exclusive bedboard at the top, and your pop top with the bed, and that sleeps another two occupants, and it's got a thick memory foam mattress, and that bounces the light off as well, that bedboard. It's lovely. Just go quickly around the back. As with all his campers, they're all fully gas certified, with the correct gas locker in the back there, as you can see, and that's all fully sealed and vented. In there we've got the wardrobe with your timber door, all finished off beautifully inside. Our kits are all CNC cut, millimetre precise, and there's no bare skeleton inside. It's all fully finished as it is outside. In there is a gap there, I don't know if you can just see behind the back locker. There is the onboard water tanks, so you've got your fill up there on the wing with your electric hookup point there. You can see it's a little bit dark. There you go, it's all professionally done. We also put the upgrade handles, luxury handles, on all of his campers all round. Just go around for another look at the inside. There you go. Very exclusive. Just a shot from this side here. There you go. And we also put the timber door there, but that's the porta potty storage. And we supply porta potties with all the Aurora Edition. And then in the Aurora range, you get the little gel coat plaques on the wing and the rear, tailgate or barn door, and that tells you it's from our special range. So thanks for watching. For full details on this van, please visit www.status1automotive.co.uk or Google Status.1 campers. This is up for $32,990. Thank you.